Hi, in this video I'm going to draw a Sierpinski triangle using Blender, most of the Blender scripting parts. Under this you're going to write every code that you see on your screen is in Python. First of all, in Blender, whatever shape you have to render in Blender, you have to first declare the mesh, declare the shape itself. So for the first function you see in the class called Sierpinski, the self function, the self declaration functions declares what I want, which is the first of all the base vertices of the mother triangle or the original triangle, and the color scheme or color palette. The second function is now where you have to append Blender functions. The beauty of this is that under the Blender console function, whatever button that you press, you can actually see its output here where my cursor is. So first of all, I declare the mesh, call it triangle, then I attach that mesh to the object, after which I attach the vertices, which vertices are declared here, on which the vertices will be passed from the original base triangle vertices. This will just draw normal triangle. The main goal of this code snippet that you see is to do the Sierpinski triangle, which is just a Fibonacci triangle taking the values of 2 or the powers of 2. So that's I've said, well, I've declared, I've first called the function itself, its vertices, and the depth. The depth is how many levels you want this Sierpinski to be. So if the depth is 0, I just want the normal triangle to be printed. This means that when the depth is 0, there is no need for division to get the smaller or inner children of the child parent triangle. Else, finding now the division, the midpoints. In the specific triangle, apart from the x, y, and z points, there's also the midpoints. These midpoints determine the origin and the origins of other minor triangles within it. So that we say there is midpoint 1, midpoint 2, midpoint 3. Now the recursive call in each triangle, if the depth is depth level 1, its first vertex will be x, then midpoint 1, then midpoint 3, then the depth level be minus 1. Second triangle, midpoint 1, y, as it goes to the third triangle. Then the fractal system is where I determine the depth. This means whatever value I put here under depth will be how many levels this Sierpinski triangle will be. And through this, I've called the Sierpinski function here, and I've attached its vertices to relate to the base vertices of the original triangle, which are here 7, 7, and also the colors, which are at the end. Let me just append the colors here. Now, for depth level 5, here will be the output. Then maybe for depth level 4, depending on your computer, remember, Blender renders to the GPU or a powerful CPU. So certain depth levels cannot be achieved. Depth level 4, and maybe the extreme that I know my device can do, depth level 7. Take some time. Yeah, don't think if it can be seen clearly, but yeah, here is the outline. And thank you. Have a wonderful day.